Hey Popaholics, you know I love tackling those tough skin issues, and today we're diving deep into a problem that affects so many of us: dry, cracked heels. It's not just about looks, you know. Those fissures can be downright painful and even lead to infections if left untreated. We're talking about the causes, the remedies, and why a chat with your dermatologist is key for happy, healthy feet. All right, let's get down to business with our first contender. O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream. Now, if you've ever struggled with rough, thick skin on your heels, you know how tough it can be to get moisture to penetrate those stubborn layers. That's where this bad boy comes in. O'Keeffe's is like a super soaker for your feet. It's formulated with a high concentration of glycerin, which acts like a humectant, drawing moisture from the air and pulling it into your skin. But it doesn't stop there. This cream also forms a protective barrier over your skin, preventing that precious moisture from escaping. Think of it as a raincoat for your feet, shielding them from the elements and keeping them hydrated even in the driest conditions. I often recommend O'Keeffe's to my patients as a first-line treatment for dry, cracked heels because it's effective, affordable, and readily available. But remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to apply this cream twice a day, especially after showering or bathing when your skin is most receptive to moisture. Next up, we've got a true all-star in the world of skincare, Cerave Healing Ointment. Now, you might be thinking, ointment? Isn't that too heavy for my feet? But trust me on this one, folks. This isn't your grandma's thick, greasy ointment. Cerave Healing Ointment is formulated with a blend of ceramides, which are essential lipids that make up your skin's natural barrier. When your skin is dry and cracked, that barrier is compromised, allowing moisture to escape and irritants to enter. This ointment helps to repair and restore that barrier, sealing in moisture and protecting your skin from further damage. And because it's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. But here's the best part. Cerave Healing Ointment isn't just for your feet. You can use it on dry, chapped lips, cuticles, elbows, or anywhere your skin needs a little extra TLC. Talk about a multitasking marvel. Let's talk about another heavy hitter in the world of skin hydration, Aquaphor Healing Ointment. This is a tried and true classic that's been a staple in medicine cabinets for decades, and for good reason. Like Cerave Healing Ointment, Aquaphor creates a protective barrier over the skin, locking in moisture and preventing further dryness. But here's the key difference. Aquaphor contains a special ingredient called petrolatum. Petrolatum is a highly effective occlusive agent, meaning it creates a waterproof barrier on the skin's surface. This is especially beneficial for severely dry, cracked heels, as it helps to prevent further cracking and splitting. And because Aquaphor is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and non-irritating, it's safe for even the most sensitive skin, including babies. So whether you're dealing with dry, cracked heels, chapped lips, or even diaper rash, Aquaphor has got you covered. Now, sometimes simply moisturizing isn't enough. If you're dealing with thick, callous skin on your heels, you need something to help slough away those dead skin cells and reveal the smoother, softer skin underneath. Enter Amlactin Foot Repair Cream Therapy. This powerful foot cream contains 15% lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that works wonders for exfoliating dry, rough skin. Lactic acid gently dissolves the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, allowing them to be shed more easily. Don't let the word acid scare you, though. Lactic acid is generally well tolerated, even by people with sensitive skin. In fact, it's often used in skincare products to improve skin texture, tone, and clarity. With regular use, Amlactin Foot Repair Cream Therapy can help to soften and smooth calluses, reduce the appearance of cracks, and leave your feet feeling softer and smoother than ever before. Let's be real, dealing with dry, cracked heels can be downright uncomfortable. That's why it's important to choose a foot cream that not only hydrates but also soothes and calms irritated skin. And that's where Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Foot Cream comes in. This rich, creamy formula is packed with hydrating ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and aloe vera. Aloe vera in particular is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a godsend for irritated, cracked skin. But what sets Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Foot Cream apart is its non-greasy formula. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving your feet feeling soft, smooth, and never greasy. Plus, it's fragrance-free, so it won't irritate sensitive noses. So if you're looking for a foot cream that will quench your skin's thirst without feeling heavy or greasy, Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Foot Cream is definitely worth a try. Now, for those stubborn rough patches that just don't seem to budge, we need to bring in the big guns. And by big guns, I mean Eucerin Roughness Relief Spot Treatment. This powerful spot treatment contains a high concentration of urea, a keratolytic agent that works to soften and dissolve excess keratin in the skin. Keratin is a tough, fibrous protein that can build up in areas like the heels, elbows, and knees, leading to dryness, roughness, and calluses. Urea not only helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, but also acts as a humectant, drawing moisture from the air and into the skin. This dual action makes it incredibly effective for treating even the most stubborn cases of dry, cracked heels. Just a word of caution. Because Eucerin Roughness Relief Spot Treatment is so potent, it's important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the frequency of use as tolerated. Let's talk about another powerhouse ingredient for exfoliation: salicylic acid. And one of my favorite foot creams that harnesses the power of salicylic acid is Cerave SA Renewing Foot Cream. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that's known for its ability to penetrate deep into the pores, where it helps to clear away dead skin cells and excess oil. This makes it particularly effective for treating conditions like acne, blackheads, and yes, even dry, cracked heels. Cerave SA Renewing Foot Cream combines salicylic acid with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid to deliver a triple whammy of exfoliation, hydration, and barrier repair. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a hydration superstar. By combining these powerful ingredients, Cerave SA Renewing Foot Cream helps to slough away dead skin cells, attract and retain moisture, and restore your skin's natural protective barrier. Sometimes you need a product that's specifically designed to tackle those deep, painful cracks in your heels. And that's where Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Ointment comes in. This ointment is formulated with a high concentration of urea, 20%, to soften and exfoliate even the toughest, driest skin. But it doesn't stop there. Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Ointment also contains salicylic acid to further enhance exfoliation and help prevent infection. The combination of these two powerful ingredients makes this ointment incredibly effective for treating even the most severe cases of dry, cracked heels. In fact, in clinical studies, Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Ointment was shown to visibly improve the appearance of dry, cracked heels in just 1 week. Now, because this ointment is so potent, it's important to use it as directed and to avoid contact with your eyes and mucous membranes. But for those stubborn cracks that just won't quit, Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair Ointment can be a real game changer. Now, if you've got deep cracks in your heels, you know how painful and prone to infection they can be. That's why it's important to protect those cracks while they heal. And that's where Nu Skin Liquid Bandage comes in. This handy product forms a waterproof, breathable barrier over the skin, shielding it from dirt, germs, and friction. It's like a liquid Band-Aid that dries quickly and stays put, even on areas that are prone to rubbing, like your heels. Nu Skin Liquid Bandage is also a great option for protecting minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It helps to prevent infection and promotes healing by keeping the wound clean and dry. Plus, it's available in a convenient spray bottle, making it easy to apply, even to hard-to-reach areas. Just remember, Nu Skin Liquid Bandage is not a substitute for proper wound care. If you have a deep cut or wound, it's important to see a doctor to ensure proper treatment. Let's talk about a luxurious treat for your feet: Olive and June Heel Balm. This intensely hydrating balm is designed to be applied before bed, allowing its nourishing ingredients to work their magic while you sleep. Olive and June Heel Balm is formulated with a blend of shea butter, avocado oil, and hyaluronic acid to deeply moisturize and soften even the driest, roughest skin. Shea butter is a natural emollient that helps to lock in moisture and protect the skin from environmental aggressors. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins A, D, and E, which help to nourish and condition the skin. And we already know that hyaluronic acid is a hydration powerhouse, drawing moisture from the air and into the skin. But what really sets Olive and June Heal Balm apart is its unique blend of exfoliating fruit acids. These gentle acids work overnight to slough away dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin by morning. Sometimes our feet just need a little extra TLC, and that's where Aveeno Cica Repairing Foot Mask comes in. This convenient, mess-free foot mask is like a spa treatment for your feet, delivering intense hydration and soothing relief in just 10 minutes. Aveeno Cica Repairing Foot Mask is enriched with prebiotic oat, known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. Prebiotic oat helps to calm and soothe irritated skin, while also strengthening the skin's natural moisture barrier. This mask also contains shea butter, another powerhouse ingredient for hydration and nourishment. Shea butter helps to soften and smooth rough, dry skin, leaving your feet feeling soft and supple. But the best part, Aveeno Cica Repairing Foot Mask comes with a convenient fastening strap so you can slip them on and go about your business while the mask works its magic. No more messy creams or greasy socks. So there you have it, Popaholics. 11 dermatologist-approved remedies to rescue those dry, cracked heels. Remember, taking care of your feet is crucial, not just for aesthetics, but for your overall health. Treating those cracks early can prevent pain, infection, and more serious complications down the line. Don't hesitate to reach out to your dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more skincare tips and tricks from yours truly, Dr. Sandra Lee.